Here's an interesting app called AI Fun AI Art Generator. So just tap get and then double click to install, and then you will be able to install it. So AI Fun has the most advanced and intelligent AI in the world. You can create artworks through AI and enjoy beautiful and wonderful pictures. Share your work with everyone and create more creative works together. Are you still spending a lot of time searching for pictures but can't get satisfactory results? Try to create the picture you want by yourself in AI Fun. So how to create those? Describe the pictures you want, such as afternoon tea with cats, deep sea with no one, and so on. Choose an AI art style you like, such as realistic, fantastic style, and so on. Click the create button. There is Magic Room, AI Fun features, and then various styles for you. Get inspired, creative AI avatar in Magic Room. So yeah, that's basically what it is. Then that's the app, and then you can just open it up, tap continue, and then you just open it up, and then you can just continue as guest, whatever. Then there is a price for it. It's like $20 per month, which is quite standard price for all these AI and ChatGPT apps. And then you just need to confirm here, and then you just need to enter the prompt. When you choose your favorite characters, the characters in the generated art will be based on the characters you choose, and then you can just create. And then you can just also see the history. So whatever. And then you can just generate this. Then you can also claim some of the daily rewards you have. So that's basically the idea, how you can just generate all of this. And there is some really help with all these input prompts. And it's very nice, prompt generator kind of input prompt generator thingy here. So and then so you can try to use that, and then you just have it here. You just have your account. What else? You can upload some photos, and then you can just go to settings, and then if you don't like, you can delete your account in the very bottom here. So you can try that. And then there's Magic Room, then there's Discover, which you can try. Then there is Shop. So something around that. I don't know what. Okay, shop. In shop you can just buy coins, 10, 50, 100 coins, 500 coins. So give it a try, and thanks for watching.